Sir, good evening,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, who is
Sir,
this?
good evening. My name is Suresh. We are calling from Axis Bank Nodal team, sir.
What is your designation?
Sir, Nodal team, sir.
What is your designation?
Nodal officer, sir.
You are the nodal officer. Can you tell me your complete name?
Suresh Pade, sir.
Suresh Pade. So, what is your jurisdiction?
Sir, come again,
What
sir. I
What is
didn't
your
get.
jurisdiction of nodal? Nodal. You told you are the nodal officer, no? What is your jurisdiction?
Sir, I didn't get you, sir. I'm not
You
understanding you.
told you are the nodal officer, isn't it? You are taking care of which states or which location?
Sir, I'm calling from Vishakhapatnam, sir.
You told you are the nodal officer, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I told you I'm Nodal
Yeah, you
officer.
are the nodal officer. Which state are you taking care? Because according to me, see, from the same number, during June I had received two calls from one Prithvi Teja saying that he is a nodal officer. Okay? When I
Okay.
asked him what is his jurisdiction, he told me that the jurisdiction is he's taking care of whole of the south. Okay? After,
Okay.
and when I asked him to tell him full name, he told him his name, and I checked in Google and told I cannot see your name as a nodal officer. He told me, if you want more details, you tell me your account number, and disconnected my call. After that, again, another person called Karan called me from the same number telling that he is the nodal officer. Okay? And I had contacted the nodal team of Bangalore and confirmed that this Prithvi Teja or Karun are not belonging to nodal officer. Okay? Because you have one nodal officer which takes care of Kerala sector. His name is Subhash. Another person is, I think, Srigumar, who is taking care of Bangalore. So who are you? Tell me.
Sir, actually, sir, we are calling from
You told
Nodal
me
team.
that you are the nodal officer. You had already told me an impersonation thing. Already complaint has gone to the principal nodal officer about this impersonation calls. Okay? So don't tell me that you are a nodal officer. Don't do any kind of impersonation calls. This call is I am going to forward this call to RBI because earlier two calls, there was no, I have the recording and your people were shouting at me. This is a proper recording which I am having. This call is going to be uploaded on YouTube and I am going to send it to RBI officials for stringent action because you are not the nodal officer. Subhash is the name of the nodal officer and Srigumar is the name of the nodal officer. Can I keep you on hold? Can I
Sir,
connect you to the
actually, sir,
can I
sir,
connect you
just
to the 1 minute? Can I connect you to the actual nodal officer so that he can interrogate you? He can question you why you are telling the name of telling his designation, giving impersonations calls to the customer. Can I keep you on hold and connect him on call? Can I?
sir, actually, sir, this
1
call is
minute.
regarding.
Who had given you the permission to give a call impersonating that you are the nodal officer? Tell me. Under whose instruction are you calling? Who is your manager?
Sir, just be online, sir. Just
Don't
be online.
disconnect the call. This call is getting recorded.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Even my call is
Tell me
also recorded.
who's your manager? You told you are
Yes,
already the nodal officer, isn't it? Who are you reporting?
sir. Okay, sir. I will transfer this call to my superior, sir. He will speak
There is
with
no
you. Just
superior
be
for
online.
nodal officer, mister. The superior of the nodal officer is the principal nodal officer. So are you transferring the call to the principal nodal officer?
No, 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 sir.
Then you are the nodal officer. I forgot your
No,
name.
sir.
What was the
Just no.
complete name?
Suresh, sir. Suresh Bade.
Suresh Pade.
Sir, just no.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Suresh
Just no.
Pade, the nodal officer, is transferring the call to his superior. Are you transferring the call to the principal nodal officer or whom? To whom are you
Sir, just,
giving the call?
sir, I'm not going to transfer this call to my superior. I mean, principal nodal officer, sir.
Then
You asked me
you
to.
told me you are the nodal officer, isn't it? See, the nodal officer is reporting to principal nodal officer and not to any other supervisor or manager. Okay? Transfer the call. I told now that you are going to transfer the call. Transfer the call.
Yes, sir. As I told you, I'm going to
Yeah,
transfer this call
let everything come
to
because
the person whom
yeah,
I'm giving reporting every day.
yeah.
Okay? Just be online.
Yeah.
Thank you for being on hold, sir. This is Nanto calling on behalf of Axis Bank.
No. What is your designation?
I'm the floor supervisor, sir.
You are the floor supervisor.
Yeah.
From which team? Which location?
It's a south location, sir.
South location. Is this a call center of Axis Bank?
Yes.
This is a call center of Axis Bank. So, I would like to know, where is Mr. Subhash?
Sorry.
Where is Mr. Subhash and Sri Kumar?
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. We don't have any.
I would like to know where is Sri Kumar and Subhash, because the person just now called me, told he is a nodal officer. Okay? According to me, see, during June, one Sai Venkata Prithvi Teja had called me from the same number around, I think, June 9th. Okay?
Okay.
Around same time he had called me, and he told he is a nodal officer. As I know that no one will call telling that he is a nodal officer, and nodal officer will not make calls to the customers. I asked his full name. He told me, my name is Sai Venkata Prithvi Teja. I typed in Google and told him, I cannot see your name mentioned as nodal officer. He told, if you want more details, give me your account details, and he disconnected the call. After that, half an hour later, I got a call from Karan saying that he is a nodal officer. And when I asked Sai Venkata Prithvi Teja, what is your jurisdiction? He told he is taking care of the whole of the South India.
Okay.
When this Karan called me, telling the nodal officer, I told you are not the nodal officer, mister. Don't tell that. Don't lie. Don't impersonate that you are the nodal officer. I and you know that you are not the nodal officer. Then he told I belong to nodal team. And this guy also called me telling that a nodal officer. After all these calls have happened, I gave a call to the actual nodal officer's office in Bangalore. Okay? And one Chetan told me these people are not belonging to nodal desk. And in between, one Vahinipadi Priyanka had sent me one mail telling that she is a mail about the complaint which I had raised. Yes. And she also had mentioned that she is a nodal officer. So 3 nodal officers. This guy also told me he is a nodal officer. Already come all after that. Next day, I spoke to your actual real nodal officer, whose designation you are using and giving impersonating calls. He told, I am the nodal officer, but I am taking care of Karnataka. I got transferred 1 year before, and he gave me the number of another person who is called as Subhash, who is taking care of the South. I told him about this. He told he had already escalated the matter to the principal nodal officer. But my complaint against the marketing thing has gone, marketing things and all gone to the principal nodal officer itself. So now principal nodal, it's with the principal nodal officer. And your principal nodal officer had sent me a mail saying that the people who had called me does not belong to Airtel and does not belong to Axis Bank. Axis Bank does not give any such calls. So who are you, mister? Which team you belong to? How are you saying that Axis Bank? And your supervisor, what is the designation of the person who transferred the call to you? Actual designation?
He is a backend team of nodal team, sir.
No. What is his designation, mister? Backend team of nodal team. Which team?
Means the customer satisfaction.
1 minute. To whom he is reporting? There are, see, Kerala there is one nodal officer, Subhash. Bangalore there is one nodal officer called Sri Kumar. You are calling from Visakhapatnam. Under whom he is working? Which nodal officer this Sridhar is working? Huh? And how a person was Sridhar working under the nodal officer reports to you, who is the floor supervisor of a call center?
This is we are talking on behalf of Axis.
Hello. Oh, now it became on behalf of. So are you an employee of Axis Bank?
No, we are not direct employee of.
Oh, you are not even employees. Then how come you are impersonating that you are a nodal officer? How come this Sridhar called me telling that he is a nodal officer? I asked him his designation. He's told nodal officer. Again and again he told nodal officer. Then later he told he is taking care of the whole of the stuff. Already complaint has gone. And yesterday I tried calling Sri Kumar Subhash, who is the nodal officer of Kerala. I had already spoken about this number and this issue to the issue created by the Sai Venkata Pratik Teja and Karan to the Sri Kumar, who is the nodal officer, and also Subhash, the nodal officer of Kerala. Okay, this call is going to be sent to both of them, and also to the principal nodal officer, and also to the RBI and banking ombudsman. Because you guys are not even working in Axis Bank. You guys are working in a call center, and you are saying he belongs. Now you are saying the person who introduced to me and did the impersonation call as a nodal officer, who introduced me as a nodal officer, who is taking care of the whole of the south. He belongs to nodal team. Now we are telling nodal team, but you guys are not at all Axis Bank employees. Then how are you giving impersonation calls and introducing as a nodal officer? I am disconnecting this call. This call is going to be uploaded on YouTube, mentioning as impersonation calls by third-party call centers impersonating as Airtel employees, as Axis Bank employees. Okay, I am disconnecting this call.